When installing MultiSlide patio doors, begin by clearing away space to work. Lay out the parts on the floor and assemble them as indicated. Apply sealant to the joints before screwing them together. Before inserting the frame into the opening, flash the sill with flashing membrane. Extend the sill flashing about 6 inches up the jambs. The purpose of sill flashing is water protection. Use regular flashing tape to cover all of the wall layers. This is an airtightness step, sealing all of the layers that connect the outer WRB back to the framing. On the sill flashing, spread 3 beads of exterior grade sealant. The instructions call for skip sealing it, which leaves little gaps here and there for emergency drainage paths. Hopefully, you've verified that the opening is a 1/2 inch wider and a 1/4 inch taller than the door frame. Insert the frame in the opening, ensuring the face is flush with the outer face of the wall, and screw it in place. Doors are then popped into place like so. Actually, you have to tilt in the top of the door, swing in the bottom, and then drop it into place. Well, don't drop it. Set it into place so the rollers rest on the roller track. And you can adjust the rollers through the holes in the bottom of the doors. Slip the other doors in and you're ready to break for lunch.